Hi, King, get out the video. Today we're gonna be listening to 1 2 Buckle My Shoes, this new meme. Okay, are you serious right now, bro? Did you just end on me? Thank you for not ending on me. So, it's called 1 2 Buckle My Shoe. Can I get in the video? King. Matter of fact, welcome back to Lord X. My name is Yo Bro King, Lord X. If you don't get your head out the screen. Okay, there you go, Well, so where's 1 2 Buckle My Shoe? Okay, press YouTube. Get out the video, bro. I swear if you get in the video again, I'm gonna beat you on camera. What? Call me Lord X, and you're really being mean. Stop getting in the camera. Okay, that is right here, the popular meme. King, why did you press it? Because I can. King, move your fingers. Right here.
Bro, come over here. Check out my new shoes. They're the brand new 1 2 buckle my shoe. 3 4 buckle some more. 5 6 Nike kicks. Oh, that is so fire.
Yeah.
Bro, come over here.
Yeah,
check out my new shoes. They're the brand
that was
new
real cap.
1 2
King, move
buckle
your
my
fingers.
shoe.
Move your
3 4
fingers.
buckle some